it says.
Get freaking wrecked!
Well, hello everybody. Happy summer. Whiny, say hi to the camera. There's Whiny. Yes, I haven't seen you guys in a while. You know, William's, after having like a rough winter and spring, which I've told you about through streaming and stuff, you know, William has said to me, you know, he wants me to show more video of him when he's good, instead of just showing videos of when he's, quote, misbehaved. So, well, the thing is, unfortunately, that means I haven't had an opportunity to make a video. But that's okay, because today I have an opportunity to make a video of him being good. Because Comcast is out. Big power outage, and it's affecting us, which means William can't play Xbox. So, and yes, that could be a good thing, because that means he's going to have to find other things to do. And I just started filling up the pool a couple of days ago. It's not filled up very much, because, you know, we're on a well. But I thought I could make a video of him swimming, you know, like I do every year. And this will be the day to make a video of him playing in the pool. And that'll be his good video that he's been waiting for. And then, afterwards, we can have peanut butter cups and have a peanut butter cup moment. So this is really, I'm very excited about this. And I can't wait to tell him the good news. He's going to have his video of being a good boy. William! William! Oh, this is a... Come here, I gotta talk to you! I got good news! Come on! Oh my gosh, what is he here? What?
What?
Hey, sweetie, come here.
What do you want?
Hey!
What?
Comcast is out, as you know.
I know.
So, and you wanted videos of you being good, so today, I'm gonna make a video of you swimming.
No.
And then, yes.
I don't want to swim.
Comcast is out. This is a good day for you to take advantage of doing
I don't want to swim.
Well, what do you want to do then?
Play video games.
No, Comcast is out, so you gotta have something else to do.
I'm playing offline.
Are you? Oh crap! Offline? Are you kidding me? No! Come back!
What?
I want to play. I want to go swimming.
I'm not going swimming.
Yes, William, you're offline. This is a good opportunity to go swimming. Come on, we get it. So obnoxious. I mean. I think he just wants to wait a few minutes to swim. Let me try to convince him again. William! What? Don't say it like that to me! Get down here now! We're gonna go swimming!
I'm not going swimming. What do I gotta tell you? I'm not going!
We are going swimming and we're gonna enjoy it!
No, we're not!
I have been waiting for another for you to go swimming. Let's go!
No!
Get down here now. No, get down here.
No.
Get down here. Get down here.
Okay, I'll come down.
You're coming down?
Yeah.
He's gonna go swimming. Oh my gosh. Go get changed.
I have to go to the bathroom.
And then you're going swimming?
No.
Wait a minute, you're not going swimming after you go to...
You just wanted me to come down, right?
Wait a minute, are you gonna stay downstairs?
No.
What are you gonna do after you don't go to the bathroom?
Go back to video games.
Oh, this video game! Rainey, what are we gonna do to get him to go swimming? What are we gonna do? Huh? That kid. Oh, Zach left his little diary here. Zach left his diary here. Look. YouTube friends, I have an idea. Zachary left his diary here, and he left Grandma with an extra key. I'm gonna go get it. Watch this. I have an idea. He's gonna swim. William is gonna swim. William is gonna swim because I have an idea. See this? see this right here. Oh, so we get the wrong part. Right there. That is coming off. I have the key. Okay, anyways, I have the key. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so excited. He's gonna swim. Watch this. You guys just wait. People, this might be a way to get your brothers and sisters, kids, whatever's off Xbox. Watch this. Sorry, Xbox, but you gotta go. You gots to go. Watch this. Find that cord. Follow the cord. Watch this. Oh my gosh, where does this go? Where does this thing go? Oh. Watch this. Sorry, Xbox. Ooh. Watch this. Sorry, Xbox. Look. Sorry, he's not going swimming. I gotta get downstairs. I'm so excited. We're gonna go swimming. I'll be back. Oh my gosh, he's coming back upstairs. Shh. This will be a surprise for him because he'll realize swimming is good for him. This will be a good surprise.
Will my Xbox turn on? What happened? What? Why is there? Is that a lock? Why in the heck is there a lock on this? Oh my god. Hey, Mom! Oh.
Yeah. Oh,
What
I
are
was
you
just coming
doing?
upstairs to go to my
What?
room.
What is this?
It looks like a cord.
Mom, why is my cord like this? Why does it have a lock?
A lock?
Why does it have a lock on it?
Oh. Andy must have put it there. Yeah.
Why? Andy put it there.
Yeah. Andy
What do you mean?
Andy put that there.
Andy wasn't at the house.
Oh, I don't know then. I don't know. Maybe that's a sign that you have to go swimming.
So you did it.
I didn't say that.
You did it.
I didn't say that.
Why did you do this?
I want you to
Where's
go
the
swimming.
key?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't you hit me with that. Don't you hit. Watch out. I'm going away from you.
Where is the key?
Don't worry about it.
Where is the key?
Go downstairs. You're going.
Where is the key?
Go downstairs.
Where is the key?
None of your business. None of your business.
Where is it?
Get off
Where
of
is
it.
it?
Don't worry about it.
Do you have the key in
No,
your pocket?
No, I don't. No, I don't. Matter of fact, you
Give
sit
me the
upstairs
key.
and play video games.
I'm not.
Stop.
Only because you want me to get in the pool. I'm not getting in the pool. I refuse to get in the pool.
I gotta go outside and check on something. I gotta go outside
What
and
are
check.
you doing?
You don't need to come out with me. Close the door.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get away from me.
What are you doing?
You're going swimming. You're going swimming. Get off of me. Get off of me right now. Get off of me. Get off of me. You're going swimming.
What are you doing?
I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'll tell you what I'm doing.
No, give me it.
You're going swimming. Ha 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 ha. You're going swimming.
I'm not getting in.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not getting in.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not getting in.
You gotta get you.
No!
You're not gonna be able to play Xbox.
I don't care.
You're gonna go swimming.
I'm not getting in.
You're going swimming.
I don't care.
Come on!
I'm not getting
Go
in.
swimming! What are you doing?
I gotta find the power cord that'll fit my Xbox.
William, just go get the key from the pool. If you go swimming, then you can have. I'll unlock it. William, come on.
I gotta find the one that can fit my Xbox.
The one that fits your Xbox has a lock on it. We can just unlock it.
Well, I
after
can
we go
find
swimming.
another
This is
one.
ridiculous. You just
There
get
has
the
to
pool.
be
This is
another
ridiculous.
one
You just get the
from
pool.
your
You just get the
decade-old
pool.
box of
I don't
freaking
care.
cord. You had this forever.
Why are you gonna be so stubborn?
Why do you even have this?
In case sometimes you need a cord.
Well, I need a cord right now, and I can't find the one I want.
You have to be. Why don't you just go get the key from the pool?
Because I'm not swimming, and I already told you I'm not.
So you're gonna sit there and look
Yeah.
at the cord? This is ridiculous.
Why is it so tangled up? When you find a cord, you can't find. You might be able to find the cord you want, but you can't get it out. Why is it so messy?
Patience. Didn't know cords should be neat. Oh, look at that keyboard. Wow. That's some old stuff in that basement. Wow.
Where is the cord I need?
It's upstairs in your room with the
No,
power.
where is it?
I don't have an Xbox cord in there. What are you doing? What do you mean a cord?
I need a cord to power my Xbox, or either that or give me the key.
The key is in the pool.
Is there another one?
No. Key is in the pool. And you better be good to the key.
You go in there and get the key for me.
No.
I'll pay you $1.
No, I want you to go swimming.
No.
You go
No!
swimming for 1 hour, and then I will...
You want me to do something other than play Xbox, huh?
Yeah, I want you to swim. You're gonna get in the pool? Look at Knit. Look at Knitty. He's so cute. He's like a little prince. So put the... What are you doing? Oh, no. No. William, no. No, no, no. William, no. William, no. William, get over here. Get over here. William, give me my box of cords. You are being so juvenile. Oh, no, that's my box of cords! No. No, stop. Get, no. Get, that is so stupid. That's my cords! Put it down. That's enough. William, that's enough. That's enough. William, that's enough. Seriously, that's enough. That's enough.
That's what I think of your cords.
You gotta put that out.
You want to get the key for me?
No,
I'll put it out if you get the key for me.
I'll get the key after we go swimming.
Are you going to get the key? Are you going to get the key? Get away! That's a plastic shovel. Are you an idiot?
I'm putting out the fire. Put out the
Mom,
fire.
get me the key. Get me the key. Or
No,
I'm gonna
no,
keep doing
no,
this.
no, no, no.
Are you
I'm
gonna
not.
get me the
I'm
key?
not. I'm not.
Are you
I'm
gonna
not.
get me the key?
No. You
Are
know
you
what?
gonna get me the key?
I'm not
Are
gonna
you
need to
gonna
get the key because the
Are you
police
gonna
are
get me
gonna
the
get the
key?
key. No, stop.
Are you gonna
Stop.
get me the key?
Put it out. No.
Are you
no.
gonna give me the key?
No, no,
Are
no,
you gonna
no,
give me the
no,
key?
no.
Give me the key!
No.
No!
No. Put out the fire
This
first.
is not gonna stop.
Put out the fire
I'm not
first.
stopping until you get the key. I'm not stopping until you get the key.
You're gonna put out the fire
I'm gonna
first.
throw this in there if you don't get the key.
Put out the fire first.
No.
No, no. Walk away from that.
Get me the key.
No, no.
Give me the key.
No, no,
Now.
no, no, no.
Give me the key.
No, no, no,
Give
no,
me the
no,
key.
no, no, no,
Give me
no,
the
no,
key.
no, no. I'm not gonna
Give
put
me
the
the
key.
key.
No, no, no.
I'm
No.
not getting in that pool. I'm not getting in that pool. Get me the key.
I'm not getting you the key. Put that out. Put that out. That was a good container. Those things cost money.
Get me the key.
Put it out. Put it out.
Get me the freaking key.
No, no.
Get me the key. Do you have another key?
No,
Do you have another
no,
key?
I don't.
Do you have another key?
I don't have
Do you
another
have
key.
another key?
Put out the darn.
Do you have another key? Do you
No,
have another
I
key?
don't.
Do you have another key?
It's in the pool. Stop, please, stop. This is giving me anxiety.
Give me the key.
Please,
Give me the key.
you're gonna get
Give me
people
the key.
upset again.
Give me the key.
No.
Give me the
no,
key.
No,
Give me
no.
the key.
The damage is
Give me
done.
the key.
No, 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 no,
Give me
no,
the key.
no, 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 no.
I'm not putting it out then.
No, I'm not gonna.
This is yours
I'm
to
not
deal
giving
with.
you the key.
This is yours
I'm
to
not
deal
giving.
with.
No, no, it's not. No, put it out. No, no, no. Put it out. Come on, that lady's gonna get mad. Come on, put it out. Put a brick on it. Put
That's
it
yours
out.
to deal with. That's
it
yours
out.
to deal with.
Smother
That's
it.
your
Put it
stupid
out.
decision.
Put it out.
That's your stupid decision.
Put it out.
You just didn't want to give me the key, huh? Now all your precious cords.
I don't care about the cords. I just want you to swim. I don't care my bathing suit on. I can't. Stop. Stop. Come on. Oh my goodness, you're crazy. Put that out. It's windy. No, put that out. Put it out. Put it out. Where are you going?
Oh, just get me the key.
No.
Get me the key.
Put out the fire first. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Oh. Where are you going? Where are you going? What are you doing? You're gonna go. No, wait. Put out the fire first. What are you doing? You want the key? Fine. You're gonna go in there in your clothes and get it. It's right there.
Where's the key?
It's right there.
Where's the key?
It's right
Where?
there.
Where?
Right 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 there. Right there.
Where?
It's over here. No, it's over here.
Why do you keep... Tell me where it is.
It's right here.
I'm gonna drag you in.
It's right over here. You're gonna break the pool. No, don't do that. Oh, you're dragging me in. Ow, 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 my arm. Ow, ow. Okay, ow. I'm gonna...
Better keep your
There's
distance.
a big bee by the pool. Right there. Right there. Ouch! Come on, William.
Where's the key?
I gotta go get the fire out. It's right in the pool. Right there. Right there. See it? Right there.
Where?
Bend down. Bend down. Bend down.
Where?
Lower. Lower. Bend down.
Where?
Bend down.
I don't
right
know
there.
where you're talking.
Get down. Right down there. Right down there. Get down there. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Where? What?
Get down there. Ah!
What are you...
Get down. No.
Brilliant! Where's the key?
Now you're swimming. Right there. Right there. Come here. Come here. Oh, crap. I don't... Shoot. Big baby. Big baby. Now put out this fire.
Don't ruin my freaking day.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. I gotta get this thing out. God, please like this video, subscribe, share. Check out our other channels on Second Raging Gaming. And we almost had William doing a nice activity. I'm sorry. At least I got him in the pool, everybody. Please. Bye.